school and the surrounding community to restore order and prevent further violence. Speaking to Channel 1 News.
Ebusiani edi ankomo na voter region eye Sokode Cross Sokode wo voter region school e wo ho ma yato dini Sokode Technical School. Ebusia Ghana Education Service the restriction at to school no CCA Oma close school ni down concerning some kind of chaos to be abeda a school for no any timemu for no entem memo full details I Penyah block media message wa any day over like video na da ma subscribe button na click benefit na kono latest updates na be chere wa adwene ama me e wo comment any day ma ya share video ma unu aso ensa enkebi e dey go pay voter region kura to dini Sokode school bi one is a technical school Sokode Technical School. The same no say aban manyaku a mo hwe adesuan sensam so school sensam aje say yato dini Ghana Education Service. Omo de ban out to that school no say siam no say the school no yen closing it down na esuafo ho no no enkofie yen kohwe video na mema o enchirimo bia.
Ghana Education Service in the Volta region has indefinitely closed down the Sokode Senior High Technical School following violent clashes between students of the school and residents of the Sokode community. Desmond Salasiago, our Volta regional correspondent, has more.
The confrontation, fueled by unresolved tensions, resulted in multiple injuries on both sides. Among the injured was a journalist from Home-based Swiss FM who sustained serious wounds while covering the incident. Several students and residents also suffered varying degrees of injuries. In response, security forces, including police and military personnel, have been deployed to the school and the surrounding community to restore order and prevent further violence. Speaking to Channel 1 News, Volta Regional Ghana Education Service Director Francis Yao Adbamadi confirmed the school's closure, stressing that the move was necessary to safeguard students and staff while investigations continue.
There were some skirmishes between Sokode Senior High Technical School and the youth of Sokode. So we write down together with the municipal director, the regional minister, and the MP. And the news was that some students went to buy food in the town and they were attacked. So when they came back, they also mobilized reinforcements and they went back to the town and also attacked some youth there. When they came, the teachers got wind of it and then they called the students back. So the youth of the community together with the Sokode company also came back onto the campus and then started attacking the students. So as a result, some of the students were injured. Some of the community members were also injured. And so looking at the dicey nature of the situation, upon the advice of the RESEC, we decided to close down the school to safeguard the security of the students as the first step. Together with that, we have arranged for buses to convey them to their various destinations. We have also decided that a thorough investigation should be conducted into the incident, and we'll get to the public as soon as investigations are concluded.
Meanwhile, the assembly member for the area, Mark Billions Bansa, provided further details on the incident in an interview with Channel 1 News. He confirmed that investigations are underway to establish the exact cause of the violence and ensure that those responsible are held accountable.
12:43 a.m. I had a call from a detective at the police post in my electoral area, telling me he picked an intel that there's some mayhem within the electoral area or a fracas between students of Sokode Senior High Technical School and the youth of the community. It's a third situation in that the students moved, they were able to scale the walls of the school as at 11 a.m. got to a park in town and then stole somebody's phone. So when they detected that their phone was stolen by the students, then the community youth moved into the school to be able to get the phone or pick up the phone from the gentleman in question. So when they go to the school, the internal security denied them access. That they didn't allow them to enter. But what they realized was that the students were stealing, some portions of the wall. And then they decided that, okay, if that's the case, we'll go and meet them there and pick the phone. So they got there, and then the students started throwing stones, sticks and all that at them. So that had to also step back. So they went back into the community to inform the community youth leaders about what is really happening. So by the time they will move from the community, the students were already in the community vandalizing properties. As we speak, I can tell you for a fact that some buildings, the sliding windows and some buildings have been destroyed. Some motorbikes that were at the roadside, as at the time the issue was happening, the students vandalized them. You have some vehicles parked at the roadside, they have to throw stones to destroy the windscreens, and a whole lot. The pub in question that the thing transpired from, that place has been vandalized. The school has been closed down temporarily, so that GES has been also charged by the regional minister, Honorable James, to form a committee, and then we would investigate and get to the root of the issue, and it will be settled amicably.
Although the school has been temporarily closed, the military and the police still remains on campus to ensure the security of the campus and also properties on campus.
Yes, so this is Sokode Tech School ewo Volta region. Say na asem esi ye. Ni nyina ne say emebu na wo school mo no omuko program bi student ko program bi wo town. Na omuko program wo town hono no ana say student ba ko ekwahye town boy ba ko phone. Et owi aye no ena umba campus. Ana town focus there bi phone na ayra ne de ye suspected student phone et yanko ho. Et omuko campus hono no ana security for no more and like I said be yama mo kwan mo go cause they didn't know by dey be amokwan wa ko basa any ade e wo ho no say abra security for no air try say omu be kame timamufo no down no town boys no down no na say student ni bi atwa war asi kroni mu omatwa school war na si school na chi aba kroma say they were confronting guys na omo no person back campus on no just na omo no so and the student with me take hostage e ma say omo abu omo bia fine na enum na ma say e ma town boys no so ye omo bufu enum so ko krom e ko bo dom say ne chale ye phone student ni bia wi aye ko kan omo asa to egwese abuye e de omo nam e boda we say no omo so ehia moa no na school phone nyina so atu mu agumontene so ene omu duru ha ne efie ye tambo grass gunan car ye tambo gunan asuma bobo adam yenim enema ebe school for this year yenim ade a ebe school for this year SHS students I just wonder where we get these people from, the kind of family they come from and the kind of homes I just wonder. A school for year maybe say yeah oh you know I want to say. And sometimes I saw a video and a student ni outborn teacher ni minimum. Every teacher ni pim board so. Students. I was so this is what happened. And because of that no. As a basa no by yedin and the GES edom sa desert there and that school no for now no yem breaki na obi anko fie until say betimi a resolve bibia ewie. They said the police for this for about say the who say in the video no. The police and so you for about around I said almost try say conflict na air cost no be calm down but until then there almost esuan for you be enko fie until further notice they will call them back to campus. Ubet material in the comment section. I Penyah Media.